Well, see if we can find, look at all these leftover van parts here. See if we can find a piece of oak for this little project. Boy, I hope I never have to use that knee cart again. I think that'll work. That'll work just fine. Hey guys, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom Vans. Today we're making this upper cabinet for the TV sets in our van. And I've got it built out of cardboard here. And I just had it in the van, but it's so raining so freaking hard. I pulled it out without getting a picture. Sorry about that. Be right back. It's raining pretty good out here. I'll put it in there for you. Hold on. Jeez, you guys. Look at this. It's a monsoon. It let up for a minute here. So I put the cabinet in. It's gonna sit right there. And we're gonna have the TV in that cabinet. So we'll be able to open it up and get behind the TV and store stuff, but mostly it's a TV cabinet. I just didn't like how you could see all the cables and everything from the TV behind it. And there we go. Okay, we're back. Oh, close the door, it's cold. All right, let's get going on this thing. Let's go ahead and mark this baby. I got the corners lined up. This is a glued piece, which is fine. So, okay. So, see these angles off now. You can get that right on. So it looks like it's about 2 degrees. It's not very much, but enough to make a difference. So put this out over here where it's out of the way. And we'll wait till tomorrow and see what happens. Okay, let's take her out of the clamps. I'm kind of excited here. So you can kind of see it's pretty rough here. And like here, I gotta set all these nails. and put some wood filler on it. And then we'll just sand her up and it'll look great. So it looks bad now, but it won't look too bad pretty soon. All right, I think it looks like it's fitting pretty good. So I'm standing down here. This is the bottom. So there's a little notch there for this light. I don't know why they protruded that out, but the idea is so we'll be able to tilt it like that, hopefully. So let's see what we got to do next to make that tilt. That's gonna be a little bit harder deal, I think. Okay, so these are the holes that I'm gonna use right here. I'm gonna put these straps on here. I gotta drill a hole on the one side first. So we'll put these straps on here. And then I mount this thing. So I'm gonna actually probably put the straps at an angle like this. And then I'm gonna put this thing on here. So then I'm gonna use the arm right here that came with this here. Slides into this notch right there. And then this thing should be slicker than heck, just mount to the side. So I'm gonna try it. Let's get this thing mounted. Test run here. So that's kind of the idea there. And then we'll put this bad boy on here just like a dot. Okay, I got this on here. So now, solid as a rock, ready for our mount. Right here. So now, when we tilt this TV into place, see, it's gonna go like this, you see. Now if I could find the rest of the screws, see, we could do this. Where's the rest of the screws? Okay. They were in the back of the van. So we got those on there. Now, that is pretty square. Here's the trick, right? So this thing's gonna have to get all the way over to about there. Let's try it. Okay, I'm at the bottom of the cabinet here. There's our LED light. So you can see it fits really good. Okay, so this is what we have here, right? I'll just get that thing straight in here and screw it down. And then I think we should be able to pop this open and tilt it around, which is kind of the whole point of this thing, right? Isn't that a cool marker? So we got our holes clearly marked there, and now we can drill those out. I'm just going to throw a piece of scrap plywood on here so that these holes don't like completely break out when I put them in. So we will also use these holes to mount this to the side of that other cabinet. But for now, let's just try it. So that's what's going to happen inside there. But, you know, that thing is designed to, oh, there's a little bit of slop in that. That thing is designed to like hold that thing in, you know? And it does, it holds it in. she is. Sanded up. That's the bolt. Top doesn't matter. Front matters a lot. It's okay, I think. Boy, it's always a bonus when you can sand outdoors, you know? Love it. Now I gotta put a double in here. I cut it out already, but I don't know if this is gonna fit yet. Let's see. Well, the reason I gotta put a double in here so that the Apple TV and the television itself okay. So these boxes are nice because just tighten them up and there we go. That is in there, man. Gotta love it. So then this box here, he's got to move over a little bit. Not too much, but about 3/4 of an inch. Nice thing about a factory headliner, boy, I tell you. It cuts easy. Everything's pretty easy. So for low voltage, you don't even need a back on the box. So just basically picked up one of these gimmicks. It's the same thing with the ears, you know, that flop in. So let's thread our cables through. So as not to strip the screw. Do this by hand, I guess. I mean, I want them tight, but I don't want them overly tight. Okay. So that's, and then this side covers that. So, I know. So, that's it for the low voltage. So that can just go in like a dot. There, that'll make it a little quieter. Get the Apple in there. Okay. Nice, huh? And this goes on top here. Like that. And this goes like that. Okay. Yeah, I think this will be okay. All right. Forward here. Okay. This is the moment of truth. TV is not that heavy. You know? It's kind of awkward though. Come on, man. So this thing now goes way forward, further than I dreamed. I didn't really think of that. Now, cable right in that little loopy-doo there. Okay. Now, I just got to get it at the right angle on that bracket back there. Hey guys, it's working. I think it worked out pretty good. I got the thing in there. The Apple TV works. I can watch Netflix. This is just regular TV antenna, which is up on the roof. And that's working pretty good. So I think we got a winner here. So I think I'm going to put a little network hub in here. So when I bring our T-Mobile gateway with us, we can plug it in. I put 2 network cables, one to the TV, it's a smart TV, and then one to the Apple TV. Here, I'll show you in just a second. So here's how this thing works, right? I got Velcro on the bottom, and
Sorry, could you say that again?
And there we go. Got our outlets in there. I got here's my charging cables for my phone, but I'll put the hub right in the corner there, and then I've got these cables plugged in, ready to go, so I can just plug those right into the hub and really get fast internet. So I think that's important for a TV set. But you can see I can really tilt this thing around to the front, which is nice. I'll show you from the front. So here we go into the side door, so you guys can kind of see when I turn my chairs around in the front. We got TV up front now. So that's working. That worked out really good. I'm pretty happy about it. TV in bed, TV in front. Can't ask for more, man. And when you fold it away, it's really folded. I'll show you. It's kind of a two-handed operation here to get this thing back. I don't know, maybe I'll get good at it, but I mean, basically. And voila, she's in there. So there we go, looking good. This factory headliner doesn't give the greatest fit of all, but here we are. We can watch it from the back too. I can tilt it back this way. So I'm pretty happy. So hey, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Vans. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Done.